And there's a persisting political standoff between Argentina's congressional lawmakers and the country's president. In the latest move, Senate has overturned Javier Milei's veto on education and health-related public funding. Senators overwhelmingly overturned the president's veto on laws that increase government funding for Argentina's universities and pediatric health care. The Senate, which has opposition in majority, voted 59-7 to restore university funding and 58-7 to uphold the pediatric emergency law. This comes after lower house voted along same lines just last month. Now, onlookers and protesters standing outside Parliament erupted in celebration after Senate overturned the veto, creating a passage for fresh funding of public sector education and healthcare.
We now have a law that gives us a chance to save the Garahan Pediatric Hospital. We demand its implementation. Milei must obey the law, not just the pediatric emergency law, but also the disability law. If Milei continues to ignore the law, there will be massive social unrest because the people's mandate is clear.
That the veto can indeed be overturned is a cause for collective celebration, not just for the university or those of us who live it every day, but for society as a whole, which, after all, is the one that funds the university and makes free education possible.
Now, Argentina's hospitals and colleges are both struggling to survive and maintain operations as government funds have been slashed under Milei's austerity measures to control the country's inflation. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.